We got a great video for you today on how to have fun camping. That's right, you're gonna love this one. By request, can you do some lower cost RVs? Well, guess what? We got one for you today. The 2025 Coachmen Catalina 134RKX travel trailer. We're also gonna show you the other two floor plans, but this is a must watch for Jeep owners. That's right, this one you can pull with the Jeep. This one you can pull with all the small SUVs. It is absolutely adorable. We fell in love with this little thing and we weren't even looking at this class. But boy, oh boy, we've got a Jeep, so we may get one ourselves. If you haven't checked out our Facebook, Instagram page, also hit that notified button and check out our website, How to Have Fun Camping and How to Have Fun Outdoors, our mothership channel. We also now have How to Have Fun Cruising and How to Have Fun Fishing. But look at that storage, look at those wheels, look at the size of this thing. It is absolutely perfect to pull with a small vehicle. It's already prepped with this ladder, so you can go ahead and buy that. And if you haven't, check out some of our other videos like this one. Brand new 2025 floor plan, and it is crazy. We call it the cabin on the wheels. Look at that wood print, and how about this monster giant fifth wheel? That's right, destination type fifth wheel for the first time, 44 feet. It is incredible. But unlike other YouTube channels, we do campground reviews. Yeah, they don't get a lot of views. We don't care. We know you're out there camping. We're going to do tons and tons of these campground reviews. We've got KOAs, Jekyll Island. We got state parks. We got all kinds of RV reviews. So definitely subscribe. You're going to love the channel. So let's take a look at the outside real quick here. And as you can see, you've got your 30 amp setup. Pretty straightforward in the back of this little travel trailer. Really nice storage here. Real nice storage. We already showed you up in the front. Down here, as you can see, you've got your cable satellite, which is nice. The wheels are fantastic for a Jeep. They're ready to go. And then over here, your water connection. So let's go ahead and get started with this review. Okay, what do you got going here?
Yeah, I was talking to Jordan how great this trailer was, and he told me, wait a second, the one over here is actually hotter right now in the market. So I'm really curious, and I'm really looking forward for him to show us why this trailer is so cool.
Yeah, if you haven't seen the video on our Best in Show, definitely check that one out right there. Jordan showed it to us. But this one is selling like a hotcake. This is the Coachmen Catalina, and it's a Forrest River brand, of course. But Jordan, show us around. What do we got here, and why is this thing so hot?
These are the lights we're debuting here at Hershey that we just talked about on the 283 Epic. You'll find these on all Catalina 2025s moving forward with the radius lights on both end caps.
That is pretty cool.
But the big thing here,
gonna have everybody on the campground envious of all that lighting. Look at the storage there, right? Some big time storage for sure.
Storage up front, but what we're really seeing here is you take a 13-foot box and you got a tow rating that's never been around for Catalina at 2600 tri-weight, opening up that customer now to Jeep Wranglers, CRVs. You're really opening up a buyer that couldn't tow this before.
So no problem with the Jeep, and nice big off-road kind of tires.
JBLs.
Wow.
Wow, and the outlet here. Look at that, very cool. I see you got a dog leash down in the corner. Very cool.
With the power awning across the top.
Look at that.
All lit up.
And then I'll show you the inside real fast.
And this is a 134RKX.
RK. So you got a rear kitchen floor plan, you got a BH and a bunkhouse floor plan, and you got an RD and a rear dinette floor plan.
All right, Jordan, let's check it out. 2025 right here, guys.
So tight space here, but it opens up to where, hey, it is a 13-foot box and it is a 24, 25, 2600 tow rating, but it really opens up and you can feel it right here. So you got your GE appliances, you got your JBL sound system, and a new feature here on the 2025s, if you look right above you, all of our GE ACs are now coming with heat pumps.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice.
Haven't sacrificed the furnace. You still got a 19,000 BTU furnace, but you're also running a heat pump in all your ACs for 2025.
Yeah, and this operates down to that outdoor temperature of 25 Fahrenheit. Saves you a lot of propane also, right?
Oh, absolutely. And that's your big thing is you find a campground that's flat rate on the electric. You don't have to use the propane. Run your electric there. You're saving some money.
Very cool.
This is absolutely amazing. You have a really open bedroom that is really nice, and I love the space on top of it that you guys created.
You got
there.
your couch here instead of your dinette. That way you got an extra bed space, but you got direct view entertainment to your TV spot.
Yep.
You're really incorporating everything in a 13-foot box.
Yeah, but look at the size of this kitchen. I mean, where do you find a kitchen like this? Look at all the area, and you have still 2 burners, still the microwave convection, like still a nice sink. I mean, everything you need, and the kitchen is absolutely amazing.
Check out the bathroom too. So you have separate tub and separate toilet in a 13-foot box.
For a small trailer like this?
13-footer, and you've got... Look at that. Pretty awesome, and lots of room. That's a big shower, actually.
Yeah, it is.
That's going to take care of some big hunters and fishermen right there. No problem.
That's absolutely amazing.
Nice toilet. Well done. And over here, you've got more storage. TV hookup here, right? And so this has propane. Let's talk about a little bit what it's got here.
Yeah.
So you got JBL. Everyone's going to be interested in this. What exactly we got in here?
So you've got your all-in-one control panel here that's going to have your awning, your interior, exterior lights. But what you're seeing here outside your JBL is your GE thermostat here. And that is where you're going to get your 13.5 AC. You're going to get your 19,000 BTU furnace. But you're also going to hit the 3rd mode that's going to activate the heat pump that comes standard in the 2025s.
Okay, very cool. Very, very nice. And then they're all shades on the windows, I see.
Shades on the windows, windows everywhere we can. Give a little natural light in there.
Yep.
But big thing too, remember 3 floor plans, hitting that 2600 dry weight on the tow rating, taking North America by storm right now.
Yeah, so I mean, if you've got a Jeep, and there's lots of us that have Jeeps out there, this is a cool little option.
Yeah.
What do we got? We got more storage
Extra
in here?
storage here.
That's
Okay.
fantastic.
You got half stand for your bed, half storage. But yeah, back to that tow rating. That's what makes this RV, 3 floor plans that just weren't able to hit that market before, and that is why it's now taking the country by storm.
Wow. And I also noticed you've added the C and the B to the B and all the USB outlets now, so that's nice. So you've got your 110, you got your C's, you got your B's, and you got your JBLs all throughout. Pretty sweet. 3 floor plans. All right, so everyone's back home's going to say, okay, that's great, really cool. I can now take the Jeep. Alicia's got a Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah.
So you're pumped up, so you can
I'm
actually
already
take
ready to
this
go.
on the road. You got your JBLs, you got everything. What's the price point? What's the warranty? What do we got going on there?
So where you're seeing your MSRPs land across North America is going to be that sub 20,000. So that's what you got, an aggressive price point and an aggressive tow rating.
Wow, sub 20?
Sub 20.
Come on, in 2025?
25's the tow rating and sub 20.
No way.
Oh.
How is it even possible? Guys, you need to run. This is a deal that is
All right,
gonna last
so
forever.
here's the next question. Based on that, because everybody's looking for something like that, and as you highlighted, this is the hottest unit you got out here. What type of lead times if you order one of these right now?
Right now, it's one of the busiest plants we have back home. Lead times are getting out there. We get you something by the end of the year at this point, but there's always a way to make it happen if need be.
Now, there's some on the dealer lots yet?
Dealer lots have now landed across North America. You have something in stock. I'm saying they're selling pretty quick.
Yeah.
You're going to find most of those sale pending, but we do have more production coming.
And then warranty, I think I mentioned it, but I don't know if we got the actual warranty on this.
Yeah, so you got your 1-year manufacturer warranty coming throughout the unit, and then you've got your GE warranties that go between a 1 and a 2 year, depending on the appliances.
Okay, very cool. Well, hey, Jordan, thanks a lot.
Yeah, of course.
Jordan's
Thanks for showing it.
Jordan's friends with our buddy Nick back in the Class B group of Coachmen. So, Alice, what do you got to say to everyone back home about this? This is pretty cool. Now you have no excuse. You can grab your Wrangler and get out there, tow this bad boy, go fishing, go hunting, live outdoors, do some crazy hiking, all for under 20 grand
I know.
in 2025.
My brain is smoking right now. I mean, I have so many ideas how to use this.
Jordan
But,
surprised you, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It was a great surprise. As I told you, you have a really small unit, but with everything you need and the comfort that you can get even from a bigger unit. So, absolutely fantastic. I give it for sure 5 Discovery buses. Well, we love this little trailer, and no question about it, it is awesome for the price.
Comment down below. What do you guys think of this? And don't forget, you can pull this with a Jeep or any small RV. And look forward to your comments. Thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Camping.